Hey there. So 2 years ago, I moved from California to Utah. I was starting my real estate business all over again, and I wasn't exactly sure how to begin. So I decided, you know what? I've heard a lot about Instagram. I think I'm going to just hop on Instagram. And what has happened the last 2 years has totally blown my mind. And today I want to share with you some ways that you can earn money as a real estate agent by leveraging Instagram in your business. And we're gonna hop into it right now. Mariah Koehle here. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your very first time here. I'm a licensed and active real estate agent in both California and Utah. And I absolutely love helping real estate agents build and scale their business the modern way by leveraging the power of social media. If that is of interest to you, consider subscribing down below and make sure you tap that bell for notifications so you are notified every week we drop a new video. I hear from real estate agents like you all the time, and I absolutely love it. So feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and it would be my pleasure to connect with you. So today I want to share with you how I literally started building my business in a new city that I didn't know anybody in, and I started it all from Instagram. Let me take you back on a little quick little journey, but I was living in San Diego at the time. I had 4 kids, still have 4 kids. And my husband and I, we had decided, you know what? I think for whatever reason, we are supposed to move to Utah. And we decided to, uproot our family, and we moved to Utah. I had a successful real estate business going Utah, California at that time. And my wheels are turning thinking, gosh, do I leave this? How do I start all over? Do I want to start all over? I don't know, but I really love the industry. I love the business. And it's hard to give that up. So my next door neighbor in San Diego had started a business, and she had started it all on Instagram and Facebook. And one day I was talking to her and I thought, gosh, if she's able to build and scale her business, she sells, children's products. And I thought, I wonder if this would work for real estate. So we moved here to Utah, and I literally, after I got my real estate license, I started this Instagram account, which at the time I hadn't even told my husband I had started it. And I'm just, posting pictures of homes I sold or homes I toured or homes that I thought were beautiful, that were, inspirational. And I just started posting. And the one thing I can tell you is that I posted consistently day after day, after day after day. And I did this for 2 years. Well, in that 2-year period, what I can tell you is the amount of times that you are able to monetize, and you can make money if you are consistent doing a few of these different things on Instagram. So number one is, if you are posting consistently, what's going to end up happening is that algorithm's going to pick it up. And if you are using certain hashtags for your area, what's going to happen is when people are looking to move or relocate to your area, your posts eventually will start to pick up. So what started happening is I ended up getting people reaching out to me. My very first listing here in Utah was somebody had found me on Instagram on a hashtag. And she said, hey, I see that you sell homes in both California and Utah. I'm wondering if you can take a look at my house. I've got a luxury house and, lots of acreage and all that. And I was like, yeah, great. I would love to. Went out for the listing appointment, and long story short, I ended up selling her house. And that was my very first listing here in Utah, was somebody that found me on Instagram. Fast forward, I could, this story is on repeat. I've had clients reach out from all over the country. Hey, you know what? I found you on a Park City hashtag, Park City Realtor, Park City, right? And we're looking at moving here from back east. Can you help us find a house? Yes, great. I would love to. So this, time after time after time, this has happened. So number one really is, if you are consistent, if you are putting hashtags, toward your location, you are going to start having transactions coming to you both on the buy side and on, the listing side of those, the buyers and the sellers, simply because you are putting yourself out there, you've got the consistency, and you are focused on your specific area. So transactions are number one of how you can earn money here on the Instagram platform. Number two, if you are consistent, what is also going to happen is Instagram may start reaching out to you. A year ago, Instagram reached out to me and said, hey, you know what? We're rolling out this new Reels bonus program. And if you post a certain number of Reels, if your Reels get a certain amount of traction, that traction will end up leading to monetization. So for the last year, I have posted Reels. If those Reels get a certain amount of views, I get money dropped in my account. It's that easy and it's that awesome. Like I'm telling you, it is really amazing. Number three is if you have a product that you are selling. So for example, if you have a course that you have taught on real estate, if you have, different things that you have, put out there, you can actually sell those courses on Instagram. Yes, you can sell those. There's a place where you can link your course. It can take you to your landing page. It can take you to your website. So if you have a product that you are selling, you can sell it on there as well. Number four are collaborations. Yes, collaborations end up being big. I can't tell you how many people have reached out saying, hey, you know what? If you post, this on whatever it is, I've had pillows and candles and jewelry and whatever. I haven't gone down that route very much, but I've had a lot of people reaching out saying, you know what, we will give you this amount of money if you, go with a collaboration. We will also give you this amount of product. So not only can you earn money every time somebody clicks on that link and purchases it, you might get 10%, 15%, 20% of that product of how much it's sold for. So that is another way to monetize also. And then moving right on to number five, kind of goes along with collaboration, but affiliate links. Yes, affiliate links. If you are an affiliate member with Amazon influencers, or if you have another company that's wanting to collaborate with you, you can get an affiliate link. And those affiliate links, if you link them in your stories, or you can link them in your bio. And what ends up happening if people click on the link and they purchase that product, again, you can get X amount of dollars or percentage based on that purchase. So really, if you're thinking about, using Instagram to make money, number one, transactions. Yes, we are, as real estate agents, that's what we do is transactions, the buy, the sell, all of that. It is also, last that I was going to mention is number six are referrals. Yes, referrals are a big one. I have agents reaching out, hey, you know what? I just found, I've got somebody that's moving to your area. Would you be interested in a referral? Absolutely. Hey, you know what? I have people that are coming to me that says, you know what? I'm looking for a place in Nashville. Do you know any good real estate agents? You better believe I know great real estate agents there. Hey, do you know somebody? So just that referral network allows you to also, as another way to generate income solely from Instagram. So if you are thinking about getting on the platform and you're thinking, wait a minute, how can this actually help me earn money? Number one, simply the transactions. Number two, if you're really consistent, Instagram may reach out to you and want to collaborate with you and have you do bonus programs for them. Number three, if you have a course or, different collaborations and, you've got affiliate links, you've got the referral network. So all these different things. And let me let you in on a secret. This is working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So this information that you are putting out there, it's different than a flyer that, somebody gets the flyer and then they toss it in the trash can, right? This is living on and on and on. So these posts that you put out there, they are out there and people can come back to your site over and over and over. They can check out your profile. But this for me has been a great way to not only propel my real estate transaction business forward, but has also allowed me to have multiple streams of income coming in from referrals and collaborations, affiliate links, and so forth. So if you are looking to build and scale your business this modern way, I love hearing from real estate agents all the time who are looking to build their business this way, and I love partnering with them. So feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and it would be my pleasure to connect with you. Take care and have a great one. Bye.